Hi guys, this is Pabbly Connect workshop. In this video, you will learn how to integrate Stripe to QuickBooks. So Stripe is basically a payment processing platform and QuickBooks is an online accounting software. So basically what we are trying to do is anytime a new customer is created in Stripe, that data will be automatically inserted into QuickBooks sales as a new customer. But the issue is Stripe and QuickBooks are two different companies. Hence there is no data flow between them. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Stripe to QuickBooks. It is actually an easy two-step process. Let me show you how it's done. So first of all, you have to visit Pabbly Connect website. This is the website of Pabbly Connect. Here, click on Sign In. Log in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now bring your attention to the Connect part. Here click on Access Now. Now you may see a button called as Create New Workflow. Just click it. So when you click it, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give it a name. I am going to give it as Stripe to QuickBooks. Then click on Save. When you click on Save, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. In the Choose app, we have to change from Webhook to Stripe. In the Choose method, we have to keep it as New Customer. Now let's go to Stripe. And here, bring your attention to the part called as Developers. This one. Click it. Okay, now in the Developers, you will find an option called as Webhooks. Just click it. Here, bring your attention to this button at the right corner called as Add Endpoint. Just click it. Okay, a window appears in front of you. So here it is asking for an endpoint URL. To get the endpoint URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and simply copy this. This is the webhook URL, also known as the endpoint URL you want. Just copy this and paste it here. Paste it. Now the description will be empty. We really don't have to be bothered with. The version will remain same. Now coming to the most important part, events to send. To do that, just keep it as create a customer. Customer created or customer? Yes, this one, customer created. So basically the idea is that whenever there is a new customer created, the data will be sent from Stripe to Pabbly Connect. Then click on Add Endpoint. Okay, so it is showing that the endpoint account has been enabled. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on Capture Webhook Response. So what it will do is that whenever a new customer is added in Stripe, it will start capturing that data from Stripe. Okay, so click on Capture Webhook Response. Go back to Stripe and let's create a customer. Here's the customer and let's create a new customer. So I'm going to give a name. Let's say this time it is Dennis the Menace. So Dennis. Account email Dennis the Menace 123@gmail.com. Description, let's keep it as empty. Yes, billing details, let's change it to my mother country, that's India. 901 sector E. Address line 2 near Ramu Theatre. City is Bhopal. Postal code 462023. State is Madhya Pradesh. 9131323914. That's my phone number. Okay, the shipping details, let's keep it as the same as billing details. The time zone, not really important. Language, let's keep it as English. Currency, let's keep it as INR, Indian rupees. Tax status, okay, taxable. And tax ID, not really important. And let's click on Add Customer. So it is showing that a customer called as Dennis has been created. His email address is dennisthemenace123@gmail.com. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. Let's go to Pabbly Connect. Yes, the data has been captured. So these are the details of the customer. So he lives in the city Bhopal, the country is India, the address line 901 sector E, address line 2, the postal code MP. Okay, so where is the name? Yes, the name is Dennis. And let's see the email. Where should be the email? Yeah, so email is dennisthemenace123@gmail.com. So Pabbly Connect has successfully captured the customer's data from Stripe. Now we want to sync this data to QuickBooks. To do that, let's click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window appears. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, we have to change it as QuickBooks. In the Choose method, since we are going to create a new customer, let's keep it as create a customer. Then click on Connect. Okay, so it is giving select your credentials. We have to keep it as new credentials. In the Authorize application, let's click on Connect. Okay, it is asking for a company. My company is Pabbly. Then click on Next. Okay, so it is showing that the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. When you click on OK, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. It is asking you to fill in those blanks. The purpose is that we are basically trying to create a prototype of the customer. Okay, so for example, in the display name, we are basically trying to map the details. Display name we have already entered in Stripe, that is Dennis. Then in the given name, let's again add the name, that is simply Dennis. Middle name not really important, family name not really important, company name, mobile number, email address, yes, let's add the email address, Dennis the Menace. GST registration type, keep it as consumer. Billing address, yes, we can add that. Billing address too. Basically, we are trying to map the detail, okay? We have got this detail from Stripe. Now, basically, we are putting in QuickBooks as a prototype. Address, city, let's see, city is Bhopal. State code, let's add postal code. This is the postal code. Okay, we have entered wrong. Postal code will come here actually. Postal code, address country is India. Where we have, yes, India. Okay, since billing address and shipping address are same, we are not going to enter it. Then preferred payment method, let's keep it as cash, or if you want, we can change it to credit card. That's not really important. So yes, so most of our data has been mapped. So let's click on save and send test request. Okay, the API response is showing that it has given the data to QuickBooks. So let's see in QuickBooks whether a person called as Dennis has been added or not. So we are in QuickBooks, here in employees, no. Here in sales, you will find customers. Click on customers. Okay, let's see the person called as Dennis. Yes, we have a person called as Dennis. So let's click it. Yes, we have got the details. Okay, this is the billing address, the payment method, and the email address. So the presence of this data shows that we have successfully connected Stripe to QuickBooks with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new customer is created in Stripe, that data will flow automatically into QuickBooks to create a new customer there. But for your satisfaction, let's check it one more time if the integration is working fine or not. To do that, let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And first of all, we have to save this workflow. Save this. Okay. Move up. Minimize this. Save this. Okay. And minimize this. So this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, we have integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect, and then we have integrated Pabbly Connect to QuickBooks. So there is a data flow between Stripe to QuickBooks. Okay, so let's go back to Stripe and create a new customer. Customers, new, Willie. Account name is flash123@gmail.com. Description not really important. Address, let's keep it France this time. Random address 123. Second address near Park Street. Postal code, the postal code is I think 75001. City is Paris. Since the shipping details is same as the billing details, we don't have to be bothered with. Language, let's keep it as French. Let's keep the currency as dollar only. The tax status, let's keep it as taxable, and the tax ID, and click on add customer. Okay, a person called as Willie has been created. His email address is flash123@gmail.com. So let's see in QuickBooks a person called as Willie has been added or not. Let's go to QuickBooks, customer, sales, customer. Okay, so let's search for this person called as Willie. Yes, a person called as Willie is here, and the details are billing address, random address 123 near Park Street, and the email is flash123@gmail.com. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a new customer is created in Stripe, a new customer will be also created in QuickBooks. Also, you should know, not just Stripe and QuickBooks, you can integrate a ton of applications using Pabbly Connect. Thanks.